What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be sharing this new Polygel kit that Makartt just came out with and doing some really fun nails for the month of October. I decided with the color scheme that they sent me, breast cancer awareness nails were the perfect theme. Now in this kit that they sent, it comes with two colors, your base coat, top coat, a mini light, dual forms. Now the kit they sent me only had 2 of the 4 new Polygel colors coming out that are in this collection. One is in the shade Bloom, which is this gorgeous, this is like the perfect soft pink shade, I think. And the other color is Bud. Now this color is very intimidating at first when you're just looking at it, but once I got it on my nail, it might be my new favorite pink shade to use. And these 2 colors were beautiful together. So here's the full collection. The other 2 colors I did not get, but they are available on the website for you to purchase. I believe the kit sells for around $40, but I also have a 15% off coupon code if you want to use it. I think it's awesome that this kit comes with 2 different type of dual forms. I went with the one that was a little bit shorter and it has more of a curve, more of an apex. They tend to fit my nails perfect. So after I get done sizing appropriately, I'm going to pour in the slip solution just in the cap, and we're going to take the first shade, which is Bud. Now just to keep this video short, I am skipping the prep for the nails. I'm not showing you how I push back and trim my cuticles. I also skipped the dehydrating and priming process that I always do before I go in with anything. So make sure you do all those steps before you start so your nails will last. Now we're just going to start patting that Polygel in place. Once you feel it starting to get sticky, that means dip it again into the slip and it will start to move around a lot better. When I first started Polygel, I didn't dip it in as much as I should have, and it was getting very sticky and it would smear and come apart. So just make sure you have enough slip. Now, before I place that on my nail, I'm going to put my base coat on, cure for 60 seconds. I did not show my nails curing. Just slide your hand under the lamp and cure, as it says, for 60 seconds. Once that base coat is cured, you're going to put the Polygel form on top, slightly press to where it fills around your cuticle area. Don't flood the cuticle, don't press too hard because it'll squeeze out and you definitely don't want to do that. And then I'm just sticking my hand under for a good 60 to 90 seconds. It does say 60 seconds, but I always like to cure for 90 just in case. I've never had an issue with Makartt's Polygel breaking or chipping or not lasting. It's very, very good quality Polygel. So I'm just going to fast forward the other nails I'm doing in this color. I'm going to prep them all and just set each one aside. The great thing about Polygel is it doesn't dry, it doesn't cure, it has to be cured with a lamp. So you can take your time doing this. So I just like to get all the forms done and then apply the base coat to all the nails and then pop them on. You can do one by one where you cure just like I showed you on that first nail with the thumb. You can totally cure it, pop off the form one finger at a time, or you can shape all of the forms with the Polygel and then do it the way I'm about to. Whatever your personal preference is, that's what's great about Polygel. You have plenty of time to work with it. So after I finish shaping all the dual forms, I'm going to apply my base coat, get that cured for 60 seconds, and then pop on each nail. Make sure it's straight before you stick it in the lamp. Make sure it's fitted around your cuticle nice and tight, but don't flood your cuticle. You can turn it under and make sure it's all smooth underneath. I forgot to show you that, I'm so sorry. But this way is just super quick and easy. Once you get those on the nails like you like, make sure they're nice and straight. Cure them for 60 to 90 seconds, and then the fun part of popping off the forms. Sometimes you have to wiggle a little bit. They're not stuck. Just give them a good tug and they will pop right off. It doesn't mess up the nails. And now we're ready to shape. Again, they're going to be a little sticky underneath, so you can just use some alcohol to wipe the stickiness away. Before I go into file, I'm going to give my nails that coffin shape, so I'm just going to taper the sides and begin filing. I don't show you a full-on detail of this process because I want this to be a pretty quick tutorial. After I get them all nice and shaped, I'm just going to take my e-file and go around the cuticles and buff over the top just to make my top coats adhere better. Polygel, you really don't have to rough up too much, so I just did this lightly. I'm going to take some more alcohol, wipe off my nails, and that will finish up the process of building and sculpting your nail. Super quick, right? So I thought it would be fun to get some water decals. I got these off Amazon for the month of October. I'm going to be using the small ribbon and some of the inspirational words there. Here's the directions. It says you don't need a base coat for these, but after doing them, I really think I should have used one. But I'm going to show you just how the instructions say. You pop in whichever design you want into water in about 20 seconds. It will slide right off that paper. I did dab off the excess water onto my paper towel before I put it on the nail. And once you have it fitted where you want, I just take a Q-tip and start pressing. I do this until I really start to see it stick and not move around. So then I grabbed the word faith. I thought that was super cute to put underneath it and applied the top coat. Now these were moving around a little bit more than what I'm used to, so again, I think I really should have used base coat. I did the same process to the other nail where I added more words, but I was totally out of focus. You could not see what I was doing, so just imagine me doing that exact same thing to my ring finger. I'm going to add a few stones with the Makartt Rhinestone UV adhesive. I just smooth it out with a brush, add a layer of top coat right on top of that adhesive or that glue, and then apply my diamond and place it in the lamp to cure. Adding the top coat over that adhesive just ensures that these stones will not move or budge. I have a full tutorial on how to apply rhinestones if you want a more in-depth tutorial. Just check the description box and I'll put all the links down below where I got everything you're seeing in this video. And I'm going to be out of focus for some of these to add a frame. I don't know why. I think I hit my tripod and it moved and it totally cut off some of the nails, so I'm super sorry about that, but you get the general idea. I'm just placing the glue where I want the crystals to be. I do smooth it out with a brush and then layer the top coat over it, pop the rhinestones on, and slide them into my lamp and cure for 90 seconds. So if you're looking for a fun, easy design, water decals or adding a few rhinestones always help pop the nails a little bit more, and it's something that doesn't take very long at all. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and hit that subscribe button. Definitely check out this kit on Makartt's website. I'm not sure if it's on Amazon yet, but I will put the links again down in the description box. Use my code to save you some change, and I will see you in my next video.